Okay, patuloy lang tayo. I think next problem is what is the wavelength of a sound wave 1 octave higher than the note in part A. The note in part A is 784 hertz. Actually, yung concept lang nito is magta times 2 lang siya. Kasi kahit sa high school nyo, diniscuss to. Diba? Pag meron kang strings, okay. Kung meron kang strings, sabihin natin nakaganon sa gitara, pag plinak mo yan, ay of course meron siyang frequency, yung vibration yan. Pag nilagyan mo siya, diniinan mo siya sa gitna, usually ito yung octave niya, higher. Usually dun sa length, sa gitara mapapansin mo yan kasi yung haba ng mula sa bridge hanggang sa may yung kung saan yung pinapalusot mo ito mo strings, it distantiate at but nga ito hirani ha buho at buho kasi ito adat ikadosi kung ani dinit iya kung gitara iniya ani dinit iya kuan, usually it but nga ito ani din ni banda ika 12 fret para sa ganito hiya. Of course, anak, kung gintuloyin ko ng kutang gada. So, kasi kung niya kasi, ani mo kasi, di ba, ani mo vibration, mastering matiya. Mastering, itiya vibration, di ba? Kung tungaon mo ito hiya, maduha ito ya ka vibration. Usa nga dida, ngayon usa dida. God. So, therefore, itiya mo octave ito is, gintutunga nimo an imo usa ka, or ang frequency niya is nadubli. Sa mo itiya, iyaton answer ito for that second part. What is the wavelength? The wavelength is, in terms of frequency, that should be doubled. In terms of wavelength, mahilipot. Mahilipot yung wavelength. Kaya ni mo hilaba nga wavelength, ma 1/2. So, kung kanina kasi, na nga hinumduman answer, so, actually, that frequency, octave, is 2 times 284. 784. 2 times 784 ba manipis na tak ballpen. At kuan ini. Dila. So 2 times ay madakbalan do. 2.84 hertz. So, ito yung octave higher, that should have 2.84 ba itong given? Sorry, 784. 784. So, 2 times 784, that would give us 1,568. 1,568 hertz. So, therefore, ato nito wavelength, lambda, that should give us 344 meters per second. 344 meters per second matravel hiya air at that rate because that's the speed of sound in air, and then divided by 1,568 per second. That is cycle per second. So actually the lambda would be cut in 2. Makikita niyo ang nadugang lad niya ang 2. So na-divide yan to 344 divided by 1,568, and that will give us 0.219. 0.219 in 3 significant figures meters. Kanina I think another answer is 0.439. So kanina ang diri octave aniya normal ang G5 ang naton answer adto is 0.439 meters. So gintunga mo ito hiya, kaya again because of that concept ani mo iton wavelength matutunga for that higher frequency. So that would be a 0.219 meters. Okay, thank you guys for listening.